On your book, page 23, we have a set of vocabulary that are opposite adjectives. So we're going to read through these words. First of all, cheap and expensive. So cheap, it means we don't pay a lot of money, whereas expensive, we have to pay more money. Now, there's a better way of saying cheap, which is adding the prefix to expensive, meaning which gives us inexpensive. So when we say something is inexpensive, it means we don't have to pay a lot of money. Sometimes when we say cheap, it means things are not very good. Oh, this thing is very cheaply made, there's not good quality. So it's not a very good word to use. Now that you're older, you can use a better word. We can say inexpensive. Next, we have comfortable and uncomfortable. Now, these two words are both adjectives, so I can say I feel very comfortable. I feel uncomfortable on this hard bench. There's another word called discomfort. Discomfort also meaning not comfortable, but this is kind of a noun, and it means I don't feel well. So I can say I have some discomfort in my tummy. I don't really feel very well. Okay, so discomfort is similar but not exactly the same. Next, we have convenient and inconvenient. It's very convenient to drive from here to there, while it's not very convenient for us to take a ferry and then take a bus and then take a minibus to go from one place to the next. Okay, so we have convenient and inconvenient. Next, crowded. We can when there are lots of people, we can say the place is very crowded. And the other way of saying it is the place is not crowded. Now, there's also another word that's is a bit harder. The word is sparse. It means things are very scattered, very far apart. Okay, so it is also kind of meaning not crowded. Next, we have fast and slow. These two words, you probably have learned it already. So Miss Wendy is going to give you some other words that have similar meaning. You can also say someone is very speedy. Okay, the person do things very fast. Rapid is usually used to describe things, not people. Okay, for example, the car moved rapidly. All right, but we don't say a person is rapid. Quick is also talking about how people do like the things people move or people do things very quickly. He is quick. He does things quickly like that. Another words to use for slow is unhurried. Very take it easy, very slowly. We can say, oh, that person is very unhurried. And then we can also say tardy. Tardy is kind of a bit negative. It's always too slow. We can say, oh, that person is so tardy. Okay. Now, I also want to introduce you to this word, synonym. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. For example, we can say the flower is beautiful is the same as the flower is pretty. So we say these two words are synonyms. Okay, so just now we have talked about some words with the same meaning. They are synonyms. And then words that have opposite meanings are called antonyms. Antonyms. For example, hot and cold. Opposite meanings, they are antonyms. Now we come to a time to let you know the secret word of day 1. What is it? It is ta-da, happy. So you can write this secret word onto your daily planner. Okay? So I hope you will find this fun.